Hello dear students, welcome back to our class. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is lesson 6, geometry. Now we are going to discuss about basic geometrical terms. First of all, point. A point shows an exact location. Look, whenever we give a point, it shows a location. Okay, and we can name that point also, like point A, point B, point C, etc. So dear student, you can see here a point doesn't have any length, breadth or height. It has no dimension. Alright. Next term is line. A line is a collection of points extending endlessly in both directions. So you can see here we have drawn one. When we join two lines and that can extend, means it can be, you can see here in both ways, you can see arrow shows that you can increase the length of this line endlessly in both the direction. Okay, a line has definite length. You can see here the a line has its length. A line can be measured, and this is the symbol for line. Okay, where both end has arrow. Next one is line segment. Line and line segments are different. Okay, a line segment is a part of line. It has definite length. So you can see here in line it doesn't have any definite length. It can extend means it can be it can extend endlessly. As much you want to become it, you want to make it long, it will be long. But a line segment has definite length. The symbol of line segment is this one, without any arrow, just simple line. Alright. Next one is ray. A ray is part of a line. So dear students, both line segment and ray, they are part of line. A line segment is without the arrowheads from the line, and ray with one end point and another arrowhead. You can see here there's a one end point and another head. It has a arrowhead. A ray is a part of line. It has no fixed length. The symbol of ray is this one with one arrowhead. Two arrowhead line, no arrowhead line segment, and one arrowhead is called ray. Now we are going to discuss about angles. So dear students, do you remember rays? Rays, those who have one arrowhead. This is called arrowhead, okay? So when we join, for example, we have two arrowheads here, two ray here. What will happen if we join two arrowhead together? So we will get a structure like this. Okay, so this arrowhead we join together and we will get a structure like this. So the area between two ray, these two are what? These two are ray, right? Rays. And when we join together, we get a figure like this. And the area between two rays is called angle. It is called angle. Two rays having common endpoint. So here, this ray and this ray, they are having common. Common means same endpoint. So two rays having a common endpoint form an angle. The two rays are called, and this ray are called arm. So this is one arm this is another arm. Okay, this is one arm of an angle and this is the another arm of an angle. So the common endpoint, you can see here both the rays join in a common end, and this point is called vertex. Okay, dear student, this is the symbol for angle, and an angle is measured in a unit called degree. This is a symbol of degree. Now let us understand this with an example. So let us draw an angle. So this is an angle and we will name this angle P O Q. Okay. So if you need to write arms, so what are the arms of this? Name the arms. So here we have two arms. One is OP and the another arm is OQ. So this is how we can name the arms. Now there we have a vertex also. So what is the name of this vertex? Vertex O. So now if we ask what is the name of this angle, the name of angle is angle P O Q. Understood? So in angle P O Q, there are two arms are there. One is OP and another is OQ. There is one vertex, that is O. Now let us solve exercise 6.1. So your first question is name the arms and vertex of each angle. So let us do it. So you can see here in first figure the one arm is YX and the another arm is YZ. Whenever you name an angle, you hold on the vertex, then it will be easier for you to find out the name of arms. Y, X, Y, Z. So what is a vertex? Vertex is Y. Now in next figure, now our vertex is B, right? B. So one is B, A, the another arm is B, C. Now it is a vertex, the common point. Look, B is common in both, right? B is common point in both arms. So B is the vertex. Now question number 3, please do it yourself, right? Now let us do question number B. One more important thing, whenever you draw this angle in your copy, please use a pencil and a scale. Okay, don't draw like me. I have used my pen. Please, whenever you draw this in your copy, use a pencil and a scale. Alright. So now let us see question number B. Name the angle. So here we need to write the name of the given angle. So you can see the first, we have only one angle, that is POQ. So use the symbol, okay, it is important, it is necessary. Angle POQ. So look at the next figure, how many angles are there? So if you see properly, the first angle is this is a vertex. First angle is angle AOB. Angle AOB. There is another angle is also there, that is BOC. That is right. Angle BOC. OC. If you see properly, carefully, then you will notice one more angle is there. Big angle. That is angle AOC. AOC. So in one figure, it is possible to have more than 2 or 3 angles. Let us say question number C. So in this figure, how many angles are there? So you can see this is one angle, that is angle DOZ. Dog, angle dog. Next one is ZOE. Angle ZOE. Then angle EOF. Angle EOF. And last one FOD. Angle FOD. Now we are going to learn measuring angles. So, protractor. This instrument is called protractor. Can you see this? You will get this instrument in your geometry box. And if you don't have, please get it one for you. Okay? This instrument is called protractor. To measure an angle, as I told you, the angle can be measured. And what is the unit for measuring angle? That is degree. I also have shown you the symbol of degree. To measure angles, you can use an instrument called protractor. So this you can see in your book also. It has two edges. A semicircular. Semicircular means half circle. You can see half circle. If you join together, it will become a full circle. So semicircle means half circle and a straight edge. So this is the semicircle edge and this is the straight edge. The semicircular edge has two scales. If you see properly, you will see it has two scales. From here, it starts from 0 to 180 and again from this side 0 to 180. One is clockwise and another was anti-clockwise. Semicircular edge has two scales marked from 0 to 180 degrees. There is an inner scale. This is inner scale. The inside one. Left from right to left clockwise and outer scale is right from left to right clockwise. The line that joins 0 degree both the inner and outer scale is straight line. Look, this 0 and this 0, if you can see properly, I will show you here. This 0 and this 0, when they meet together, it is a straight line. So when this 0 meets this 0, then it becomes a straight line. It is called the baseline of a protractor. So this is called a baseline of a protractor. The point where the 90-degree line meet the baseline is called center of a protractor. You can see here there is a one line where this 90-degree meets the mid of the base. This is baseline, and when this 90-degree line meet baseline, that is called center of the protractor. You can see this is called center of a protractor because here this 90-degree meets the baseline, so this becomes the center of a protractor. So now we will learn how to measure a angle. Now let us solve exercise 6.2. Write the measure of an angle. So you can see here, what is the name of this angle? GHI. So it's showing the measurement. Then we have to find out the measure of this angle. You can see here, one arm of an angle is parallel to the baseline, whereas other is running in between 140 to 130. So now we have to find out the measurement of this angle. So what is the midpoint of 140 and 30? The mid is 135. It's coming from this side, right? Anti-clockwise. So this is 130, and the mid of 130 and 140 is 135. So what is the measurement of this angle? 135 degrees Celsius. Now look at this one. So what is the name of this angle? Angle LKS. You can see one arm is parallel to the baseline and another arm is showing to this 110 degree. So we have to see the outer scale. Alright. So it's going from here, right? The baseline is at 0. So we have to count this side. So you may be thinking why we have counted this inner one and why we have counted here outer one. So you have to see where is the baseline. So here baseline is here 0. So we always start our counting from 0, right? So here the baseline is lying in the right side. So we have to start from the 0. So we will move toward this. And here you can see the baseline is lying at this 0. So we will move toward the S arm. Okay. So here the L arm is lying at this 0. So when we move toward it, we get 110. It means what is the measurement of this angle? 110 degree. 10 degree. Oh, here I said Celsius. No, sorry, that is wrong. 135 degree only. And here 110 degree. Now let us do question number B. Use a protector to measure its angle. So let us do this. So here I have taken one protector. The center of the look how I have placed my protector. Can you see the line? This is baseline, no? The baseline should be parallel to the arm BC. So this BC should be parallel to the baseline. So look, and the center line is there, no? That center line should be parallel to the arm BA. Now look, this BC is parallel to the baseline, and whereas this AB is parallel to the center line. So now you can see clearly that this A is indicating toward the 90 degree, right? That means measurement is 90 degree. Now let us do next one. We should be very careful while keeping this one. Okay, you can see here this is the center and this NO is parallel to the baseline, and you can see clearly that okay, the baseline should be parallel to the This one. It's very difficult because I don't have a stand for this. So you can see here this N M is indicating toward the, so you have to start counting from here 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, and this is 50, right? That means the measurement of this angle is 50 degree. Now next one. Okay, the baseline should be parallel to the Q and P, and you can see the another line is pointing toward the 60, not 60, 120 degree, because we have to start counting from 0. So 0, 10, if you go, so you can see here this P and Q are parallel to the baseline, and Q and R are indicating to 60 and 120 degree. You can see here pointing to 60 and 120. Now which one we should write, 60 or 20? Because it's showing two measurement, one is 60 and one is 20. So how to measure it correctly? So first of all, look at the 0. Which way the 0 is there? Is our baseline is pointing toward this 0? No. This head of this P is showing to this 0. So we have to start counting from this side. Okay. So we'll go 0, 10, 20, 30. So it's showing to, that means we have to go through the outer circle, the outer line. Okay, this outer line showing, the outer line is showing 120 degree. So measurement of this angle is 120 degree. Please do it again and find it out whether you get a correct answer or not.